I saw too. Because you see, a lot of people who work for Air Canada live around here. So they're mechanics, engineers, and so forth, pilots. Belmont, eh? King. Ouais. Like Parc Belmont.
Exactly. You ever go there?
Oh no, that's way before my time.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, that place closed.
I went there once.
No, it closed in the 80s, and I think.
It was in 82, I think, or something like that.
Yeah, and it was. Wasn't there like a roller coaster crash or something? I think that died. What happened? Oh, there's a Chester Street here. No, I went to Laron. A lot. Luku.
Well, Laron was the real park.
Yeah.
Parc Belmont. It's it was kind of a ghetto version.
Yeah, but it was really old too.
Yeah.
It's nice and warm in here. Me and Grant, we've been outside a long time now. I love clean though.
Yeah, something you don't see in the city.
What was that street? West End?
Carson.
Oh, Carson. Carson. Sounds like arson.
That's cool through Carson.
Yeah.
So it's just up here somewhere.
Major. Actually, maybe if it wasn't for Gloria, I would just like sleep over at my parents' place. I'd already be in the West
I
Island.
was
You know?
thinking you could have done that, and then I remembered, no, your campfire would not like that.
No, I don't know. She definitely wouldn't like that. She's way too attached to me. We're talking about a cat that hasn't gone out in 5 years. You know, there's no need.
At least my cat, I was able to leave her overnight and she'd be fine.
Oh yeah, I forgot. He doesn't go to the airport. It's the 204 that goes to the airport. He goes to going to Lakeshore. And I forgot about that. I always get the two mixed up. You know, the last time I filmed a ride on a hybrid, you were with me. Actually, I think it was like exactly the same seats that we were on the 11 route going up the mountain. Look at all this, guys. This is all recent. All these condos. It's crazy. Prime real estate.
This is the worst place for a condo noise. You got train noise, you got airplane noise, and car noise. It's
Yeah, I know, but you know how glass can cut down noise
honestly,
big
it should have been
time.
an office park. There's a train.
Are you serious? Where?
I thought I saw a train.
No, there's no train. Don't tell me that.
The one heading out of the city.
Oh God, look, there's that old folks home where all those old people, like 30 of them died during COVID.
Ghosts.
For crying out loud. Look, it still says that anyway, it's still for rent.
I know. Well, who's gonna rent it?
I don't know what to say, man.
As soon as you sign the lease, you're gonna hear this voice that goes,
Maybe wait, what's going on? What's all this stuff? That's alright. I thought maybe they were gonna do snow removal. Oh, this is perfect. I didn't realize that. I got mixed up with the 204, so he's gonna stop right where the Tim Hortons is in the gas station. It's perfect. Perfect. Neptune. How do you think they came up with that name, eh? How do you come up with a name Neptune for a street back in
I don't know.
whatever?
There should be
45?
Neptune, a Jupiter Street. There should be a Pluto Street, Mars Street,
Mercury,
Venus Street.
Pluto. Wow, the snowbanks, it's crazy. I haven't seen snowbanks that high in the longest
Oh my
time.
god, it's ridiculous.
They really gotta get rid of that fast. That's bad for the old people.